Today we are in the disaster of my kitchen and I'm going to show you some of my all-time kitchen favorites. Let's go. First off, they're not up here, but are my cast irons and my cast iron hooks to hang all my cast iron skillets. So my cast irons are Lodge. They came pre-seasoned and it came in a bundle of a 12, 10, and I believe an 8-inch. Number 2, my 9x13 cast iron. I won't lie, as much as I love the hooks that I got, I have to climb this table every time I want to use them. So, I wish I would have been able to put them in a better location, but unfortunately the way my kitchen is, I wasn't able to do that. So let's go with number 3. These came in a set of 8. They are glass, but they have a plastic top. I honestly use these probably 4 out of 5 days that I take my lunch to work. I honestly can't tell you how much fits in it, but it's a lot. So let's get into number 4. My freezer cubes. These hold 1 cup each, which is really good to freeze individual servings. I make a lot of chili and ham and beans in the winter, but I've also froze taco meat in here before in the little half-cup servings, and then take that to work and it's almost thawed by the time I get there, so I only have to heat it up for like a minute. Next on the list is the kitchen scale, because I am getting back into a weight loss journey and trying to lose another 20 pounds, so I weigh pretty much everything. So next on the list, because it's summertime, is these popsicle sticks. They have little straws for when the popsicle starts melting. We currently have yogurt in ours. I'll see if I can't find an Amazon link, because I actually found these at Goodwill. But they are Bon Ton Stores Inc. from Taiwan. So we'll see if I can't find an Amazon link for you. So my next kitchen favorites is, of course, my, if I can get it off the wall, strainer. That's the word we're going to use. We're going to use strainer. So it can sit in the sink, or it can sit inside of the pan that I'm boiling pasta in. Really convenient. But I also have my mesh strainer, which I actually use a lot. And then I have this nifty pot that I actually use a lot because it's got the strainer holes on the lid. You lock the lid and then you strain it in the sink. Don't mind the other strainer that we have in there. But it's got 2 different sides. So it's got the little side and then it's got the bigger side, depending on what kind of noodles you're cooking. But that way you don't have to use one of those and dirty another one. I don't know what number we're on, but my chopper is the next one on the list. It's great. You put your vegetables in there and then you slam the lid. I'm sure, I honestly don't remember. This is Good Cook. I may have bought it at Kroger's. I'm not 100% sure. I've had it too long. A couple years ago, we replaced all of our pots and pans, like the Teflon lined ones, with our cast irons. And then if you can see them, they're all the way up there, lined up. I found all of those at Goodwill for like $1 or $2 each. So those are the pots and pans that I use, unless it's the orange one that I just showed you or the copper one. And that is like the top things that I use. I mean, I have a lot going on in my kitchen. So yeah, it is my disaster of the kitchen, but this is real life, real person. I thought I'd share what I loved out of my kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll drop everything in the description below. Have a great weekend. Bye.